like Pillangoviya. Sorry, my voice. Pillangoviya.
Namaste and welcome back to my channel. Welcome to another reel tutorial video. In today's video, we are going to learn a short composition for Krishna Janmashtami reel. I know it's quite late for you all to learn, so I've chosen something that's very easy for all of you to learn. There is no adabu, literally no adabu. It's just little dance that even kids can do. If you're watching me for the first time, then hi, my name is Saishree. I'm a software engineer and a dancer by heart, by passion. Without me speaking a lot and it's very late, let's start the video. I had given you all two options. One was Pillangoviya and second one was a little semi-classical. Someday I want to take time and also do a semi-classical tutorial. Although I'm not trained like that, I'm just trained in Bharatanatyam, but that is something that I really like doing, especially when it comes to Krishna dance. Let's start. I don't think I'll be able to play music continuously because then I'll have copyright. My reel is already on my channel, like shorts. I'll leave the link. You can go and watch and then come back. Let's start. The song that I have chosen today, it's in Kannada. It is a Purandara Dasara Kriti. And here it is a song of, like, say, the writer or bhakta, or you can become anybody. Like, you can become Yashoda searching for him. You can become Gopika searching for him, Radha searching for him, just a friend of his searching for him. You're just asking people, have you seen Krishna? So the lyrics is in Kannada. For those of you who want to Google it and translate it to English, you can do it. The first line starts with the narrator searching for Krishna. Like, Pillangoviya, sorry, my voice. Pillangoviya Cheluva Krishna Yelli Nodidiri. So he's asking, where have you seen him? Or like, he's asking, have you seen him? I didn't want to start from this line because the singer sings it multiple times. So we are going to start from the next paragraph. That is Nanda Gopana Mandirangala Sandu Gondinali. In my reel that I made, I didn't take this line as well. I started from the next line, but for the tutorial, I want to start from there. So, Nanda Gopana Mandirangala Sandu Gondina. It means Nanda Gopa. You know who is Nanda? Nanda is Nand Maharaj. The narrator is asking, have you seen him in the house or courtyard? You know, in the corner, somewhere hiding, hide and seek, playing hide and seek. So we are going to show that. Nanda Gopana Tripataka. Just rest your hand and cross your leg. Nanda Gopana. Now we are going to show house. Mandirangala. Now search. Sandu Gondinali. It comes twice. So Nanda Gopana. Same. You're resting your hand. This is Shikhara. Nanda Gopana. Show the house. Mandi. Second time we are going to do Nanda Gopana Mandi Rangala. Show Mandi Rangala Sandu Gondinali. Like, you're asking, right, to the people, have you seen him there? So we are going to do and come back to the same question because there's a question mark, I feel. The whole song felt like question mark for me from my young age when my teacher used to teach this. Although I didn't learn it directly, I used to see the other girls do the dance. So yeah, it just feels like a question mark every time. We are going to do it again. Nanda Gopana Mandirangala Sandu Gondinali. ನಂದ ಗೋಪನ ಮಂದಿರಗಳ ಸಂದು ಗೊಂದಿನಲಿ. You end here and you start. ಅಂದ ಚಂದದ ಗೋಪ, I think, let me. ಚಂದ ಚಂದದ ಗೋಪ ಬಾಲರ ವೃಂದ ವೃಂದದಲ್ಲಿ. It means beautiful Gopabala, cute boys, because now I think the whole song is like Krishna when he's like boy, when he's like total naughty boy playing with kids. So you're going to ask, is he with group of Gopabala, that's all his friends. Chanda Chandada, you're going to show ಚಂದ ಚಂದದ ಗೋಪಬಾಲರ, show group, ವೃಂದ ವೃಂದದಲ್ಲಿ. This line comes only once. You have to I think you don't mind me singing, because if I play the song I'm going to have copyright, and then I have to break, like I have to remove the song and you won't be able to follow the video. We'll go from the first. ನಂದ ಗೋಪನ ಮಂದಿರಂಗಳ ಸಂದುಗೊಂದಿನಲಿ. ನಂದ ಗೋಪನ ಮಂದಿರಂಗಳ ಸಂದುಗೊಂದಿನಲಿ. ಚಂದ ಚಂದದ ಗೋಪಬಾಲರ ವೃಂದ ವೃಂದದಲ್ಲಿ. From here, the lyrics is Sundarangada Sundariyara Hindu Mundinali, which means we all know how Krishna was again. He's like probably, troubling women, all these beautiful women. He must be roaming behind them. So we are going to show that. Sundarangada, sorry, my voice. Sundarangada Sundariyara. So you have to walk. If you can't see my leg, we are going to do a Kulukunade, I guess that is what it is called. So we are going to do Sundarangada Sundariyara. Then walk behind fast. Hindu Mundinali. This line comes twice, so we are going to repeat it again. Sundarangana. Now do Sundariyara. It's like lifting the pallu. Sundarangana Sundari. Turn and do the same walk again. Hindu Dinali. So when I was walking straight, he's just walking like looking in the front. But when I was walking the opposite direction, I look in the front. Let's do till here. I'll try playing the song once. We'll see. From the stanza is Andadakala Kanda Karugala Manne Vanderi. It's like maybe his in between all the cow and calf, and you're going to show, because we all know, we all have seen animated Krishna, how he loves his animals. So you finished. From here, you're going to turn and become cow. You're going to sit down under the akara. So hand is pretty easy. Leg, you're here. From here, just turn and jump and sit. So, and look at him. Under the akara. Then become Krishna. Kanta karugala. Mande man. Okay, so we'll do under the akara. Kanta karugala. 1, 2, 3, 4. Walk. Let's do it once again. Under the akara. Kanta karugala. Mande manteyali. And do the same thing again, but you're going to do twice. Anda da kala kanda karu kala. Slow. Mande mande. Last time we walked 4 steps. 1, 2, 3, 4, and walk front. Now we are going to do da da kala kan. No, opposite leg. I'm going to keep my left leg in the front when I turn towards my right side. So, anda da kala kan da karu gada mande mande ya li e. Music is like that. Let's play one. Now that I think about it, yeah, I think same leg would be more comfortable. I'll do it with the same leg once. And from there, finally, our line comes. You finish doing the circle, and you do Pillangoviya. Beautiful he is. Krishna, who is beautiful. Pillangoviya Cheluva Krishna. Yelli. Ask, where have you seen him? Okay. Pillangoviya Cheluva Krishna. Yeah. Nudidiri Rangana Yelli Nudidiri. And that ends our stanza. I'll do the last part once again. video ever, and it's the easiest one. I hope you all recreate it as much as possible for Krishna Janmashtami, and happy advance Krishna Janmashtami to all of you. It's quite late. It's almost 11. That's why I think I'm very tired. If you all recreate this, then don't forget to tag me or collaborate with me. So if you ask me to collaborate with you on Instagram, that is on my channel Dance with Sai, I will surely do it. So if you like me to collaborate with you on my channel, then please tag me there. And if you want to learn the whole choreography, then you can text me, like you can DM me on my Instagram. So thank you for watching. If you have watched till here, then great, all the best on your reel and learning dance. Continue dancing and love you all. Thank you so much. Namaste. Bye. Good night.